I've been an avid pickleball enthusiast for the past 2 years, hitting the courts at least 5 days a week, often for back-to-back sessions that stretch into 4 to 5 hours of intense play. Doubles tournaments, aggressive drills, and those endless kitchen battles that leave most insoles flattened and my feet screaming in protest. That's when I discovered Soleflex Pickleball Insoles, and let me tell you, they've utterly revolutionized my game and recovery routine in ways I didn't think possible from something as simple as shoe inserts. From the very first practice with them popped into my well-worn court shoes, the premium 4D memory foam layer hit differently. It's this genius multi-density setup where the top is ultra-plush and breathable for that instant, walking on clouds sensation, but the core and base provide rigid, targeted support that cradles my high arches without any of that rigid, orthopedic-like pressure that makes other insoles feel punishing during lateral cuts and pivots. No more hot spots under the balls of my feet after those rapid-fire dinks or the sharp heel strikes from chasing lobs across the baseline. The gel-infused heel cup absorbs those brutal impacts like a pro shock absorber, distributing force evenly so my ankles stay stable and my knees don't buckle under the repetitive side-to-side torque that pickleball demands more than any other racket sport. I used to hobble off the court with plantar fasciitis flaring up, calves knotted tight, and that nagging shin splint vibe creeping in by hour 3. Now, even after a full-day tournament grinding 8+ hours total, my feet feel refreshed enough to hit a casual evening mixer without a second thought, and the next morning? Zero soreness, just ready to rally again. The antimicrobial top fabric wicks away sweat like a champ during those humid summer sessions, keeping my feet dry and odor-free. No more peeling off shoes to a swampy mess or dealing with blisters from slippage, and the deep heel cradle with its textured grip tech locks everything in place so they don't budge an inch during explosive lunges or those sneaky cross-court poaches. Trimming them was a breeze with the precise color-coded lines that matched my shoe sizes perfectly. I did a pair for my size 10.5 wide pickleball sneakers and another for my sleeker indoor trainers. And after 2 months of near-daily abuse, over 100 hours logged, they haven't compressed, cracked, or lost their bounce one bit, unlike the generic foam ones that pancake after a couple weeks. What really seals the deal for me is how they've trickled up the benefits. My lower back pain from poor alignment is history. My quads and IT bands recover faster without all that compensatory strain, and I've shaved strokes off my game because I can stay low and agile longer without foot fatigue dictating my positioning. At a fraction of what custom orthotics cost, these Soleflex insoles aren't just support. They're a performance upgrade that lets me play harder, smarter, and longer, turning post-game ice baths into optional and letting me focus purely on perfecting my third shot drop. If you're knee-deep in pickleball like I am and tired of your feet betraying you mid-match, seriously, drop everything and get Soleflex. They're the unsung hero keeping me on the court dominating ladders and leagues pain-free. 10 out of 10, no regrets, buy 2 pairs yesterday.